If you have ever commented under a YouTube video and now you're wondering how can you find that comment and all of your comments on YouTube, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's jump right into it. Since we're going to use the YouTube app, let's go ahead and make sure it is updated first for everything to run smoothly. After that, let's quit and then let's now open YouTube. First, let's add a random comment and let me show you how to find it. Let me add a random comment on this video right here. And then, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the comment now. And just comment nice or something positive. Just like that. Comment added successfully. Let me go ahead and show you where to find that and all of the other comments. First, tap on your profile picture that should be in the bottom right there. Just like that. And then from here, let's go to settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner, right here. Now let's go ahead and tap on manage all history. Basically here you find more than just your comments, but I'm going to show you how to filter it out. It's going to take a couple of seconds to load up. And once it does, here you go. You can scroll down here and find basically all of your activity on YouTube, basically the videos you watched, the likes and all of that. Now if you only want the comments, tap on interactions. It should be right there in the top right corner under your profile picture. Right here. Still, it's not filtered here. What you need to do is to tap on comments and replies, the third option within all of these options. You can of course look through every option here if you're curious or if you want, but here we are for the comments, so let's go ahead and tap on comments. Here you go, guys. This is the last comment that I've added alongside other comments that I added before. If I want to delete it, I can just tap on the X button right there, and I can do that to all the comments I've ever commented on YouTube. That is basically, guys, how can you find your comments on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.